this video, I will show you how to send crypto to wallet from Revolut. And for this, you need to have a Revolut account. And if you don't have one yet, then please check the link in the description to get started for free. But let's dive into the video right now. So from our Revolut home screen, we're going to click on crypto. And from here, we're going to select the crypto that we want to send. And in my case, that's Bitcoin. And in here, you're going to click on the three stripes next to sell. And in here, we're going to click on send. To send our crypto, we need to add a wallet address. And we are going to click on add wallet address. And in here, we are going to select Bitcoin. And we need to insert a wallet address down below. And we can either scan a QR code or we can copy and paste this address in from our crypto wallet. And we're using Trust Wallet in this video. So I'm going over to Trust Wallet. But of course, you can use any other crypto app. So in your crypto app, you're going to click on Receive. And from Receive, you're going to select the crypto that you already selected in Revolut, and that is Bitcoin. And now you will see that you will get a wallet address, and you can either scan this QR code or you can click on copy as I'm doing right now. And now we're going back to Revolut to paste this in. We have pasted in our wallet address and we have set the wallet to Trust Wallet and we've gave it a label, and now we can click on continue. And as you can see, the address is being added, and this should take a couple of seconds, and then you will be able to send the crypto to this wallet. In here, we can enter the amount that we want to send to our crypto wallet, and please be sure that you have an equivalent of around 10 euros or 10 US dollars on your account worth of this crypto coin, because otherwise this transfer will not succeed. And if everything is finalized, you click on review transfer. Then after you will confirm this, and then you will send crypto to your wallet from Revolut.